Hey everyone, welcome back to SimpleGuide TV. Today, I'm super excited to show you two simple methods to create these awesome animations in Canva. Let's dive right in. First, search for a street graphic in Canva and set it as the background for your canvas. Next, search for a car graphic and use the filter to find only animated car graphics. Position it in the right corner of your canvas. Then select it and click the animation option at the top. Use the Create Animation tool, which allows you to create custom animations by simply moving your element around. For this animation, move the car from right to left to create a driving effect. To finalize, select the steady movement style. And there you have it, a car driving from left to right on a street. Now let's move on to the second method. Instead of moving the element, you can move the background to achieve a similar animation. First, place your background, but make sure it has a great width because you're going to move it around. The width should be twice the height for this method to work. Resize the background and make it extend beyond the canvas. Next, add your element. I'll use a walking woman for this example. Now, select your background and hit the animation option. Use the custom animation tool again, but this time, move your background from right to left. This creates the effect of a walking woman animation from left to right. It's so cool. Add the steady movement style as your final touch. And that's it. And there you have it. Two simple methods to animate in Canva. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more simple guides. See you guys in the next video.